Hi, this is Mark Boado and welcome to my sustainability journey. I want to begin my story by sharing to you my favorite sport of all, golf. And this is not to introduce you to the game of golf itself, but to share to you how Singapore solved sustainability issues impacting golf courses, and hopefully we can learn lessons from that. So what you're seeing now is what they call as the Upper Seletar Reservoir. So let's take a walk and see how the intersection between the reservoir and the empty parcel of land was converted to a golf course. So what the Singapore government did was to basically convert an empty parcel of land and make it into a golf course, and hereby putting up a solution to the problem of land as well as the problem of water usage. So one of the biggest challenge for Singapore is that it has very small land area plus limited water supply accordingly. But with smart engineering, strong government support, and practical application of basic principles, they were able to solve those issues and build a golf course next to a water reservoir. Reservoir, golf course. Next, I would like to share to you that during my time as a 20-year veteran in the semiconductor and electronics industry, I was able to lead a group of engineers to drive sustainability projects like in the area of packaging or even in the area of technical realm. I was very active in those areas, and at the same time, from quality technical to business quality, now to supply chain quality, I had an opportunity to work on projects and drive improvement areas such as IC packaging, assembly and testing, failure analysis, even now on quality management system and supply chain. So all of those experiences led me to where I am today in pursuing a PhD on sustainability, hoping that I could fuse all of those information, knowledge and experience and drive home one idea to improve the process. And once they finish, they put here. In this journey of sustainability drive, and as I am in the latter part of my career, given the experience that I had working and living in Singapore, I would like to contribute at least one sustainability idea in order to improve the environment. So this is the current state of the beach where I grew up back in La Union, and as you can see, in the olden days when I was still a boy, this was pristine beaches, black sand even, but now it's peppered with seawalls, and basically the whole sea line is getting closer and closer to the mainland, and one of the problem being seen is the heavily silted river up north is causing the whole shoreline to be closer to the mainland, and thereby causing all these seawalls to be erected by the local government of La Union. Now, in my small little way, and hopefully if I would be able to complete my PhD and therefore become part of government in order to drive policy, I would be able to at least contribute to improving the condition of this area up north in order that this shoreline will recede once more. In summary, the three things that I have been able to observe that caught my attention is that strong government joined by active private sector can work wonders in sustainability drive. Second, in our workplace, we can always contribute to at least one idea in our sustainability journey. And finally, it's never too late to pursue a career as long as you are passionate about our objectives. Thank you and have a pleasant day, everybody.